for Eco Kitchen. First of all, I thank President Sheshadri sir, Madhu sir, and all other Rotarians here for providing us this wonderful opportunity for us to make a presentation on our organization, Eco Kitchen. So, Vaya Kaitonde Foundation is a registered charitable trust, and we work under the banner called Vaya Care, which primarily works for HIV/AIDS prevention, care, and education. So, this has been headed by Dr. Suniti Solomon, and under her initiative is Eco Kitchen. She is Dr. Suniti Solomon, Managing Director of our Vaya Care and Eco Kitchen. She was the first lady to document the first case of HIV in India way back in 1986. Since then, for the past 25 years, she has been working for this field, and we also have initiated something for disadvantaged women called as Eco Kitchen. So, Voyage is actually continuously involved in various research projects, and in this research project, we came to know there was an urgent requirement to be addressed. That is the livelihood support for the vulnerable women community in Chennai. So, we thought what could help the women in Chennai that would help them in earning more and more for their livelihood support or an economical development. So we thought of food retail would be a better opportunity which could earn them a daily base income. So that's how we started Eco Kitchen. Eco stands for enhancing community opportunities, and we also tried to use the word for ecology also, since our Eco Kitchen is eco-friendly too. So that's our vision. Our meal will nourish bodies and empower mind, become more confident, capable, and proud. So the first step was we started a huge centralized kitchen at Injambakam behind Cholamandalam Artist Village. This facility is adjusted to stringent quality and safety measures. All staffs in Eco Kitchen is well trained in food handling, hygiene, and soft skills. And the production is eco-friendly, and we are partnered with a chain called as Sodexo. So everyone would have been known about Sodexo for their meal passes, but they are also well known for their cooking. They are on-site cooking professionals. They work for Nokia, Saint-Gobain, Nissan kind of huge setup organization, and they have partnered with us under the CSR initiative called as Better Tomorrow Plan. So they assure us three things: that's the quality of the food, value of the food, and the reliability of the food that is being produced at Eco Kitchen. So that helps us in more engagement with the community, identifying beneficiaries, and doing this charitable service to the community of Chennai. That's the front view of our kitchen, which has been situated in Injambakam, started in November 2010. This kitchen has been raised under 18,000 square feet. We are purely a non-profit kitchen, and we have a strength to produce 30,000 meals per meal time. We are purely vegetarians. So I would like to take you to a virtual tour that has been available at our kitchen within our premises. 90% of our food production is done through steam. So we have a huge steam generator which has a capacity to produce 1.5 tons of steam each hour. The steam generator can be ignited using diesel or LPG, but we use something eco-friendly material, that is biomass briquettes. This looks like a verag, in Tamil you call it verag katta. It is made up of organic waste, sawdust, nut kernels kind of thing, which has a low carbon dioxide emission. These are cook stoves uniquely designed for a traditionally way said in Tamil, aduppu, something like that. This is unique because it is an energy consumption. It saves energy for us, and this platform has 3 cook stoves in each. We put the biomass briquette in the first and the third alone. The second one absorbs the flue gas from the first and the third. So a reduce of fuel is being done through using these cook stoves. These are high energy steam vat vessels. We use steam for production of food in Eco Kitchen. So these steam vat vessel varies from 400 liters to 600 liters. We prepare gravies to rice in this, like karakorambu, rasam, sambar, kuttu and all, and also rice. So for a gravy, it takes about 40 minutes. For a rice, it takes 20 minutes. Those are idli boxes, which has a capacity to produce 1,440 idlis in 10 minutes. chapati making machine. Each machine has a capacity to produce 1000 chapatis in 1 hour. We have 2 of those. These are solar water geysers. We try to use the solar energy as well for our production. The solar water geysers provide us with hot water for our production. We also have water recovery system, or the STP, which treats the water which is being flushed out from EcoKitchen. We try to utilize this for gardening purpose alone. This is the pre-production area, the chopping, de-seasoning of the vegetables and fruits happen here. We have community members also involved in our EcoKitchen, where it acts as a livelihood support program again. These women are being trained with food handling, packing kind of things also. We have a cold room and a dry storage room. That's our dispatch bay and vehicle, which delivers the food produced at EcoKitchen to various joints in Chennai. We have a training room also for training our entrepreneurs and also our staff members. So under EcoKitchen umbrella, we have 3 programs. First one is Kadir, second one is Out of the Box, and third one is Kadir Dan. Kadir is a social entrepreneurship model. Out of the Box is a corporate institutions food solution program, and Kadir Dan is simply called as Annadhanam program. Kadir. So this is a micro franchise model of EcoKitchen. We identify vulnerable women community from community of Chennai. We provide them a set of training, and later we provide this kiosk to them at a free of cost, which actually costs 35,000 for the foundation. So after a set of training, they are being asked to identify a well situated location to set up this kiosk where people will be coming and having food from EcoKitchen. So the food produced at EcoKitchen is delivered to the doorstep of this kiosk, and then the women has to serve to the community.
Can I ask a question? It's 35,000 rupees per entrepreneur. So the ladies pay 35,000.
The foundation is supporting.
The foundation.
So the food is being delivered to these drums and compliments in the carrier. So we have documented minimum of rupees 300 is what she takes back home each day. That is 4 hours of work, just the lunch time alone. The rest of the time she can do her household works. So this program assures that women with a stable, simple means to earn money. Food retail business offers us immediate rewards and daily disposable income. Women who earns more as an increased access to better health and education, and on the whole, affordable, nutritious food to the member of the community. Out of the Box is a food solution program for the corporates and educational institutions in Chennai. We have a few client lists here: Jaya TV, British Council, Jet Airways, Staff Pantry, TAFE, WNS Global Services, says. So again, we try to provide entrepreneurship or a livelihood support for the women and men in Chennai community who are disadvantaged by giving them a set of training to handle a kind of a canteen at the corporate centers. So Kadir Dan is a food security program. As I said, it's a simple Annadhanam program. EcoKitchen tries to bridge the donor and the needy community through this program. So whatever donation that EcoKitchen receives will be converted into nutritious meal and will be delivered to the said community. So we documented all the occasions and we send back the documented report to the donor. So a minimum of rupees 2,500 is what we require to tag a day of a donor. So any auspicious occasion, birthday, wedding day, or a remembrance day, who is willing to do Annadhanam to a community, a old age home, or a children's home, can approach EcoKitchen, and EcoKitchen will deliver the food to the community. So through this meeting, we would like to have few requests from the club. So your own patronage and referrals to our OOB, that is Out of the Box, for your special orders. We also request you to identify potential entrepreneurs who are really at disadvantage or vulnerable, who require a livelihood support, and you can also support them with this kiosk model, and you can have your own name or the club name tagged to the kiosk. And we also request you to do Kadir Dan as per your convenience. We also request you to spread the word about Eco Kitchen to your friends and families. We are on Facebook also, so please do like on us. So what we promise is that Eco Kitchen will surely offer you a tasty, healthy, affordable meal, and your support will help the community of Chennai. Thank you.
Any questions?
Is,
What is the percentage of waste?
The percentage of waste is very, very minimal because we take prior day order, so it's very, very minimal, and we try to dispose it to at the corporate places or at the kiosk places or give it to a needy community bank. So we don't take anything back to the kitchen.
what is your source of revenue? Is it just the meals that you prepare for corporates?
Yes, absolutely. OOB acts as a support for balancing both Kadirdan and Kadir program. The revenue which has been generated, minimal profit amount which comes out of OOB is actually helps us in balancing our daily eating.
But this massive thing, this 30,000 meals, this facility in Indian Park, the capital cost must have been very high.
Yes, sir. That was supported by the foundation at initial phase, and now we are trying to hit the break-even point. We are actually not preparing 30,000. Our capacity is 30,000. We are preparing approximately 8,000 meals per day.
8,000.
Yes.
How many employees are?
At the production site, that is at Eco Kitchen, we have nearly around 100 staff. Other than that, we have a separate office at Ramashriti Nagar where we are around 20 staffs.
What's the minimum order you'll take
For a special event, sir,
for especially say birthday or a small
function?
minimal is 50 numbers, sir.
50?
Yes, sir. If it's going to be an elaborate menu, we can negotiate. We can do for 30 also.
You are okay with any sort of menu?
Yes, sir. It's client's menu. We do anything in vegetarian.
But you have some standard menus.
Exactly.
Yeah, we can suggest you on the occasion type. Like we have nearly around 20 menus, 20 items. You can choose your own.
Is it just supply of food or is there a catering service also?
It is kind of a catering service. We do on-site catering also.
Only in the afternoon or also the night?
For special events, it's throughout the day, from breakfast to dinner.
You have it delivered at the workplace or
Yes,
wherever?
yes, we do service also. We have staffs to service the client also.
You had mentioned that they can charge whatever they want, or is there a fixed price for that? They charge?
We
Is there
provide
any
them at an X price, and they sell it at a Y price. In between is profit for them.
Is there any MRP? Meaning the
We have a
maximum
cost,
price.
sir. We
You tell them the Y price, isn't it?
No, sir. They fix it according
What
to
is
the
it roughly?
nearly around 30, 27, 30, 35.
They sell it at 27.30. We give them at
What is the composition of that standard meal which is?
That is a South Indian meal, sir. Rice, sambar, rasam, karakorambu, a poriyal, buttermilk, and a pickle.
It's for 30 rupees.
We provide them at 1840. That is not even
The
our
resale
production
price
cost.
is
1840 is actually a loss for us. We are not even hitting the production cost.
But this is what they are selling in that Kadir stalls.
Yes, sir.
This entire thing, this
Yes.
one meal.
Yes.
I keep seeing them all over the city.
How the sales? Is it good?
Yes, sir. Minimum they take is 30, and the maximum we have around 70. Depends on the community, depends on the demand.
They serve them on plates or plates? or-
They have a plate. We provide them with resource materials, so they service on a plate.
What about the waste collection there at that place?
Mostly they take back home if something is left over. That will act for their family, dinner or lunch.
You know, what about the plates? Now they dispose
It can be stored at the. It's a stainless steel plate. It's washed and stored at the kiosk itself.
How do they wash it then?
We identify resources nearby the kiosk, like some corporate office or some flats where we request for few water and they wash it.
See, there's going to be a regulation for this food safety and other things.
We have licenses. We have obtained licenses for our food safety. Each entrepreneur having this kiosk will have a food license.
How you ensure the quantity of food that you give is passed on to the consumer?
It is a fixed quantity actually.
But how do you know? If suppose you are given 100 grams, they give only 80 grams.
Yes, because they're serving on a plate separately.
Yes, actually, it has been seen as a traditional way. If it's going to be a roadside shop like this, people who are coming to have it will like to have an unlimited food. No one will be happy with a limited thali. So it depends. The entrepreneur who is doing it understands the situation and manages well.
What if they add some dishes there for themselves?
Sometimes it happens, we try to address it. We do not allow it to happen at our kiosk. Can be done separately.
No, the lady entrepreneur at the kiosk, she orders the number of meals she wants.
Yes, sir.
And she pays for it, whether
Yes,
or
sir.
not she sells.
Yes, sir.
How many
They know-
kiosks do you have?
We have around 80 kiosks right now, sir.
All in Chennai.
Yes, sir.
You're not gone beyond Chennai.
No, sir.
South
South Chennai.
South Chennai.
Not even north.
So the people who buy, is there no stigma attached to these ladies?
There's no stigma right now, sir.
We don't find any
Sir, what is the profile of the people who buy?
anyone who is economically down,
No.
very poor.
Everybody is actually
Are the ones who run the stalls. What about the customers?
customers.
It can be anyone.
No, but generally from your experience, what is the profile of this?
Auto rickshaw walas, corporate companies,
It
marketing
differs from
staffs.
area to area also.
No. You see, the problem is if auto
And it's
rickshaw
summer.
having food here, probably a corporate fellow will not like to comment on
No, it differs. It
It
also
differs,
differs from area to area. For example, we have
Actually,
You
they
require
go,
more
in search,
publicity.
they go in search of Eco Kitchen stalls. Actually, they have it
That's
at
a fact.
Kindi. Then they search, if the food is not available at Kindi, they go to Tirunelveli and happens. They search for Eco Kitchen and go because of the quality and the taste that's been provided.
surprise.
you were speaking about advertisements. Right now, like we don't have any advertisement.
We
but
don't
that's
do
one of the
any-
reason we try
Yeah,
to
but
try to
because
explain it.
once people know about the whole thing that you spoke about in briefly, then there's a chance that you get a better client
better
response.
platform to raise. Yes. That's why we have a request that word of mouth spreads much easier.
But
That's
has
why
any
we-
Rotary Club been associated with you so far? In
Yes,
terms
sir.
of
We regularly get special orders for their events. We did for Raila event, we did for the presidential end event kind of things.
where you did the catering for them?
Yes, yes.
Installation.
Installations.
I would suggest that you approach a governor for the conference.
Actually,
Not a bad idea. See, we can encourage.
we have been trying to, but fortunately,
That we can get
Maybe your
from
support
the.
could really help us
I have
out.
another counter.
But that is huge. That is really
We
huge.
have done 30,000 Annadanam, sir.
yes,
like on-
we on October 14th we did a World Food Day event where we donated 30,000 meals for the poor in Chennai community.
You could find 30,000.
That exactly happened during Rotary Club's Eat program.
Correct.
Sheshadri, you can put him on Mohan Raghavan who's in charge of conference.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.